Hey everyone, I'm Sue Daley and welcome to my new sew along, which is called Speke Hall. Now, I know that you're all going to be a bit sort of thinking she's gone crazy. This is a complete machine pieced quilt, so there's no hand sewing in it. And as I said in my Instagram post, it's not an April Fool's joke, it is actually true. I have reconnected with my sewing machine and it's all good. I'm not going crazy. So when you look at the pattern, it looks quite daunting, but it is only made up of squares, half square, triangles and rectangles. So it really is an easy pattern to put together. It just comes out looking fabulous. So I've used my new collection, Faith, Hope and Love. So we'll be starting this in April. The requirements you're going to need will be listed below. So if you read that, you'll have everything that you need to make the quilt. There's a couple of things. There's a paper pattern, and there's also a PDF download, so you can go either way with that. There's a few requirements. I'm going to be talking about how I piece my machine piece quilts together, how I put them together without using pins. It's just my own quirky little thing that I do, so that'll be an interesting thing for you to watch. And I think that's it. This is going to be our first block. So as you can see, it's quite easy, and I look forward to seeing you soon, and we're going to get this show on the road.